Dave Pelton has some pretty unusual party tricks.
This is really an amazing technology, and as you can see, it's working just fine. Here's something you wouldn't normally do with a television monitor. Putting live electricity with a liquid.
But this is no ordinary liquid.
This is a material that physically looks like water. It's clear, it's liquid. It acts like water in that it moves around, and yet it is a firefighting fluid. It is not water. And we're going to show you that it's actually the vapor that puts the fire out. And as you can see, no physical liquid comes in contact with the flame, but rather the vapor from the gas being heavier.
The water lookalike is the secret ingredient in the latest fire suppression system being built here.
Applied to the room, it travels through pipe and it'll actually mist or gasify in the room.
Chemically speaking, the magic fluid is a fluorinated ketone.
It's colorless, odorless, electrically non-conductive, and what happens is it stops the fire process by removing one of the legs of what we call the fire triangle, the heat leg. Heat, fuel, and oxygen are required for fire to be sustained. Take away any one or more legs of the fire triangle, fire goes out.
The fuel cans are filled with heptane, a liquid hydrocarbon. For a room this size, they'll need to pump in about 16 pounds, 7 kilograms of this sapphire agent.
Okay.
Its cooling properties rob the fire of heat, putting out the flames almost instantly.
And certainly while we have byproducts of the fire in the box here, that is smoke and other things, the agent itself is safe for people, property, and the environment.
Pelton says that safety factor will be a big selling point for a couple of reasons. First, no water damage. In many fires, water from conventional sprinklers and hoses can cause as much damage as the fire itself.
Imagine these being a piece of valuable art, in this case watercolor drawings. And as you can see, if we were to take the drawings and expose them to the two liquids, this one being water here, it will run and cause damage to the artwork as opposed to the material in the sapphire fluid, which will not cause damage. It has chemical properties that allow it to inhibit fire and quickly evaporate. In fact, it evaporates 25 times faster than water. So the ability and the advantage then, if you're protecting a risk, is that you will not have that damage, that associated damage that a fire sprinkler system might have.